Welcome to HGNR Steno classes. Dictation 10. Start. Punjab Government Instruction contained in Circular Letter number 41 dated the 18th April 1961 provide that the pay of an officer who is promoted to a higher post but does not fulfill the condition regarding the minimum number of years of service in the lower rank is to be fixed at the minimum of the grade of the higher post less the amount due for increment which have not been earned by the officer concerned in the lower grade for the period he is short of the minimum prescribed. Stop. These instruction further provide that the written consent of the promoted officer to receive a particular pay to be fixed according to the above formula should be obtained beforehand, and a stipulation laid down in the promotion order which should not be passed in his favor if he is unwilling to give such consent. Paragraph. Instances have, however, come to the notice of government where officers were promoted to the higher post without obtaining written consent of the promotees to accept pay less than the minimum of the time scale, or incorporating such a condition in the promotion order itself in contravention of the instruction referred to above. Stop. As a result of his lapse, government is placed in a very awkward situation. In order to avoid recurrence of such omission in future, it has been decided that all the departmental rules in the state should be modified to bring them in conformity with the instruction dated 18th April 1961. The Financial Commissioner Punjab and Administrative Secretaries to Government Punjab are therefore requested to take necessary steps to amend where necessary the service rules of the various departments under them. Accordingly, under intimation to this department, paragraph, I am to request that in future the pay in the type of cases mentioned above may be suitably fixed below the minimum of the relevant scale according to the formula above. All the pending cases should also be decided accordingly. Full stop. For the sake of unfortunately, such cases of fixation of pay be channelized to Finance Department through Chief Secretary in the General Services Branch. These instructions would be applicable to superior posts, those of director or under secretary, deputy secretary level or deputy director level and above, not to ordinary ministerial post and the like. Stop para clause.